Hello everyone, today we're going to be unboxing the Lipfis 360 mirror. It's a three-way mirror for self-hair cutting, and it's got a height adjustable telescoping hooks. So let's go ahead and open it. Comes in a nice sleek box like this, as you can see. So, looks like they have some free educational videos as well. Has a scanning QR code to access those videos. Convenient. It's got the instructions here on how to use it and set it up. Looks like packaged nice and well here. Got the hooks here. So this mirror is the 360 mirror that is rechargeable, and got the button here. As you can see, it lights up nice and easy with a touch button here. Very easy, and it's got the port here to charge the device, and here it comes with the charging cable, USB charging cable. Looks like it is a USB-C cable, so allows you to charge it. So you can see the size is nicely sized. It's nothing too bulky, so you can easily store this in your bathroom cabinet or underneath the sink. Here you can see the telescoping hooks. Opens this way, and you'll be able to hang it on either a door or maybe your shower door or something that you can hang it on wherever you feel confident hanging it. So pretty convenient, pretty nice. Definitely, I think, a good buy if you want to try self-cutting your hair. So if you'd like to purchase one of your own, I'll drop a link in the description below, and you can purchase from the Amazon store. You'd be supporting my channel as well. Thank you for watching.